Welcome to the Tartan Topiary. Today, we will be looking at Merry and Chic, Your Most Dazzling Christmas Ever, written by Kathryn O'Shea Evans. This delightful book is a dazzling Deck the Halls guide to creating your most spectacular holiday ever, complete with recipes, show-stopping Christmas decor, and chic DIY ideas for gifts galore. Kathryn O'Shea Evans is a writer who focuses on design, travel, and food, all from her home base in Colorado. Kathryn is an editor-at-large for Luxe magazine. Her work is frequently published in the Wall Street Journal, the Washington Post, and Architectural Digest, just to name a few. She received her master's degree in journalism from Harvard University's Extension School. She also manages a website that features Christmas decor and baking supplies. I will leave all of her information in the description for this video. In the introduction, Kathryn writes, "I can admit when I have a problem, and I have a problem. I'm a Christmasaholic. The sparkle, the bows, along with the scent of just trimmed evergreen branches, I love it all. Although November and December are among the dreariest days of the year, yet during the Christmas season, everywhere there's an omnipresent feeling of lightness. You begin to pick up the scent of cinnamon and spices everywhere. Strangers donate wish list items to children whom they don't know and will probably never meet. And of course, the ancient story of a baby born with nothing but gave everything. It's enough to make the grinchiest of hearts triple in size." This book is a stylish and informative guide for the holidays. It includes recipes from people like Abraham Lincoln and Jackie Kennedy. It contains decor advice, which is very chic but also very achievable, monthly to-do list calendars for your sanity, and playlists of unexpected holiday music for seasonal events, from cocktail parties to lingering candlelight suppers. Kathryn also includes DIY gift ideas that will actually be adored, and several tablescapes that will inspire and excite. As the calendar creeps closer to Thanksgiving and Christmas, many of us dream of creating a magical and beautiful atmosphere. And yes, that is easier said than done. But whether you're a seasoned decorator or just looking for a few new ideas, Merry and Chic is the perfect source for motivation and inspiration. It is the perfect blend of practical advice and stunning visuals. Merry and Chic, Your Most Dazzling Christmas Ever, written by Kathryn O'Shea Evans. This book has 224 pages. It is published by Gibbs Smith Publishing, and it retails for $40. I try to prepare my Thanksgiving table several days in advance, and because I want it to be special, I try to put some thought and creativity into the table setting. I will place some china, placemats, and napkins on the table, and as I walk by several times in a day, I'm surprised at the inspiration that this simple act provides me. This year, I'm going with green, burgundy, and ivory. It may sound a little like Christmas, but I will incorporate a definite Thanksgiving theme. I want the table to be warm and inviting, and I try to keep my Thanksgiving dining table informal and fun at the same time, whereas my Christmas dinner is usually a little more formal. It might look a little bare now, but it's all about adding layers. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll join me next week as we look at Splendor of Christmas, English, French, and American Holiday Style from the editors of Victoria Magazine.